Welcome to the Flip Video Series, episode number 2. We are going to continue with video 2. As you can see, I brought Butters. He's so happy to see you all. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're going to put Butters up now. Now, in this, today we are going to learn the slope and y-intercept. But first, we must go over what we learned last time. Get out your pencils and papers and number your papers from 1 to 5. Is this graph linear or nonlinear? Write your answer down now. Is this linear or nonlinear? Please write your answer now. Is this linear or nonlinear? Please write your answers now. 4. Is this linear or nonlinear? Please write your answer down now. 5. Is this linear or nonlinear? Remember, this line is going to represent that line. Correct answers are going to be nonlinear, nonlinear, linear, linear, and nonlinear. If you got all those right, you're ready to move on. Slope is the steepness of a line on a graph, known as m on the slope-intercept form equation. Y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis, known as b on the slope-intercept form equation. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, with m equaling your slope and b equaling your y-intercept. Rise over run, the method of finding the slope on a graph. I will demonstrate on how to find rise over run and your slope on the graph. As you can see here, we have our linear line. Now, I will show you how to rise over run. As you can see, there's a point right here, and if we go up and over, we can see that it goes 1, 2 times, and 1, 2 times. So the slope is 2 over 2, or 1. As you can see, y-intercept is where the y crosses, which is right there, which is 0. So when you write that in slope-intercept form, it's going to be y equals x plus 0. Make sense? Okay. So next time, I will talk to you about your quiz. The quiz will be 5 questions. It will be on the Google Classroom site on Google Forms. Until next time, students.